It is time for another grocery discovery, and today I have a fishy tale for you. Are you concerned about mercury in fish? Are you concerned about eating too much fish? And you know what? I've got a couple surprise questions for you when we go inside. I'm Annette Reeder from thebiblicalnutritionist.com, and it is always my joy to serve you God's recipe for excellent health. And today it's about tuna. And right now, tuna is on sale, and you need to come and grab it right away because it is selling out quickly. So let's go inside and learn what we can about tuna. Here we are at the fish counter, and doesn't that tuna just look amazing? Look at those bright red colors. That's the carotenoids in the flesh of the meat. Now, if mercury is a concern for you, we're going to talk about it. First of all, I want to share with you all of the health benefits in this tuna. Today, I wanted to just point this out to you so you could see it as I talk about it. Here's all of the health benefits in tuna. So we have selenium, and we're going to come back to that because that has an interesting factor when we talk about mercury. But when you combine selenium and vitamin E, it helps to prevent breast cancer. That's something that all men and women need to be paying attention to. Now, tuna is a huge supply of B vitamins. And as you know, I always talk about B vitamins being the happiness vitamin. But hey, it's also good for your hair, your skin, your heart. And tuna is a rich supply of numerous B vitamins, not just one or two, but over 8 B vitamins in tuna. Vitamin D, you talk about it in a supplement, but did you know you could get it in your tuna? And then protein. Tuna is a powerhouse of protein. We got 13 amino acids, and just wanted to point out that even includes leucine, which is for muscle building. Tuna is a perfect food for an athlete or a person of any age, a child or a senior adult, because you want to keep your muscle tone. A few other nutrients: iodine, phosphorus, potassium, vitamin A, the carotenoid. I pointed that out because of the pinkness in the flesh. We even have 12 minerals, anywhere from calcium to magnesium to zinc. And then, of course, what fish is known for the most is your omega-3 and your omega-6. Many people get too many omega-6 because of the fried foods that they eat. But when you eat a food in its perfect nature, the way God designed it, it will always be in the perfect ratio. So those are the health benefits. Okay, let's go back to that nutrient selenium. This is an antioxidant. We already talked about it being preventative for breast cancer, but the selenium in tuna is actually this type of selenium. Let me just read to you what the study says. This is especially helpful to the tuna as a nutrient for protecting their red blood cells from free radical. Like, hang on, here's the interesting part. It is also able to bind together the mercury compounds in the fish's body, even methyl mercury. It actually lowers their risk of mercury-related problems. Now, that's great for the fish, but did you know when you eat the tuna, it does the same for you? This is amazing. And so the presence of the selenium in this special form, selenium, is going to help prevent you also from having high levels of mercury. Now, yellowfin tuna is what's on sale today, and it can come in a medium size. It also has just a moderate level of mercury. And if you eat tuna once a week and combine it with some salmon once a week, you are going to not have to worry about the mercury content, but you will benefit from the omega-3 and the omega-6. Now let's move on to how to buy tuna. First of all, you want to buy it from a trusted source. That is so important. Notice here that the fillets are placed on top of ice. If it was a whole fish, it needs to be buried in the ice. So a good fish supply store is going to know that and present it correctly. Now, when you have your fishmonger package your fish, let him know if you've got a long drive, because it needs to be kept cold the entire time from the store to your refrigerator. Yesterday I was here with a long line of people getting their fish because this is such a great deal, really good fresh fish. And one gentleman was saying he had to drive an hour and a half, so they packed it in a bag of ice, and that to help him. It's just such great customer service. This is very important. Now, you don't want to purchase tuna that has any dry or brown spots, but a good fishmonger is not even going to display such a tuna. An interesting question for you today: did Jesus eat tuna? Well, I did the research, and yes, the Mediterranean is full of tuna. Some of the tuna stay there all the time, others of it migrate in and out. So it's quite possible that yes, Jesus could have eaten tuna. It is a clean fish, it is a very healthy fish, and it could have been processed the kosher way, and he definitely could have enjoyed it. Well, I hope I've encouraged you to eat some tuna today and add it to your diet at least once a week. Thanks for watching.